Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Cancer, what are the messages for you? What's going on, Cancer? And your card, and it's your reading, the Chariot. Very heavy energy. Knight of Cups with King of Pentacles under the deck. Someone want to coming towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. Very slow moving. For some it could be a new person also. For some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. And King of Pentacles, I think this person is very financially stable. For some you started focusing on your career, but someone is coming to offer their love, but they are in very slow moving energy. So let's see your reading, recent past, Judgment, Nine of Swords and Three of Swords. Lot of you are in separation with your person or in no contact. If you are in a relationship with your person, this is on and off connection. So Judgment, so you made some decision in recent past regarding this relationship. Maybe it was very painful, but you have to make it and you did it also. So Nine of Swords with Three of Swords, because this relationship causing a lot of anxiety and depression in you, because your person may be in and out of your life. They are non-committal. Maybe for some third party situation also involved in this connection. So Nine of Swords, so you are unable to sleep, you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. And Three of Swords, you are heartbroken without your person. Yes, for separation you feeling like this. That was past. Then present, Ten of Wands, Five of Pentacles and Chariot. Still you are feeling alone, still you are suffering in silence. And Ten of Wands energy. So maybe you only the one person taking care of this relationship. They are in and out of your life. So this causing a lot of overburden in you, especially when they are not available to you emotionally when you need them. So Five of Pentacles, you feeling lonely and you suffering in silence, and then you realize started to moving on. Cancer, the Chariot, yes, you decided to move on. Maybe you decided to forget all this pain and starting to move to heal yourself. You started to heal yourself. Again, it is very slow process. Still you are trying. Yes, still you are trying. You want to forget all this and you want to heal yourself from this past hurts. Then future, Seven of Cups, Nine of Cups and Queen of Cups. You are very loving and caring person. You share everything with your person. Maybe you give a lot to your person, but in return you didn't get anything, because you are very caring and giving person. And Nine of Cups, but don't worry, because past and present may be difficult for you, but future your wishes are going to be granted. There will be some change. And Seven of Cups, maybe in future you will find someone new. You have options in future. Yes, maybe you are in some confusion also, but in near future you will be see some options and your wishes are going to be fulfilled. And Queen of Cups, yes, you are very loving and caring person. So someone, Knight of Cups, maybe for some it could be a new person entering in your life. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. Then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But here lot of water energy. So let's see. For some you both could be twin flames, level and 11 under the deck. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity. So your person feelings, their feelings, Cancer. Page of Cups. The Devil. Came it reverse. Ten of Cups. So, Three of Cups. Maybe they want reconciliation with you now. The Devil came it reverse and Page of Cups. Maybe they're coming back with an apology. They want to apologize you, and maybe in past they're very dominative in this connection, but now they're realizing your worth. They really want to offer this Ten of Cups happiness to you. They're thinking about to offer. They're thinking this is all over their feelings right now. They're feeling that they want to apologize you. They want to offer this love to you. Maybe they realize their mistake because the Devil came in reverse. Maybe in past they're very dominative. They're in and out of your life. But now for some it could be third party also. But now they want reconciliation. So let's see their intentions. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You both could be water sign. Or Capricorn especially. Let's see their intentions. The World came at reverse. Five of Swords. Nine of Swords. Under the deck, Seven of Cups and Ten of Wands. I think your person feeling scared. Yes, they're scared. They're realizing their mistake. Maybe some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. This creates a lot of anxiety and depression in your person also. Maybe they are realizing their mistake. That's why they're not making any more because they're scared for rejection. Maybe they're thinking that you will reject them when they approach you. They're thinking that you will reject them. Yes, they're scared. They're missing you. They started missing you. And Five of Swords, yes, they in past maybe they backstabbed you. They cheated on you. They lied to you in past. Now they're feeling regret. They're confused. They don't know how to approach you, how to make a move towards you. They're feeling overburdened also. They're feeling suffocating. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yes, now they are ready. Now Seven of Wands, so they will fight. They want to fight for this connection. Hierophant with King of Pentacles. Now they are ready to offer commitment to this connection and they want to marry you. But it's up to you because the decision is totally in your hands. Because they did wrong, now they are realizing, but for some it is too late also. Because you started focusing on your career, yes, now you are very Page of Cups, yeah, they are coming back with an apology and Page of Wands, some communication, but you are focusing on yourself, especially on your career and self-growth. Nine of Pentacles energy. Now it's up to you guys, Cancer, it is totally up to you. If you let them in, definitely there will be reconciliation. If not, there is no chance. Yes, mutual of Ten of Swords and Temperance. Maybe you will take some time to make decision. Ten of Swords. Maybe both still want rebirth in this connection. One person is expressing but one person is not expressing. Maybe one person want to move on from this connection. And Temperance. I think there is no balance in this connection and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So patience is the key, guys. Maybe if you are not allowing this person, maybe they will fight for your attention. But definitely they're scared to make a move towards you. Maybe near future they will message you, apology. Yes, there is some text is coming, definitely. But after that, it depends on your situation. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer. Sorry guys for the sound. It is coming from railway station which is near to our house. Sorry. Yeah, you are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. Even though you are working on yourself, sometimes you are feeling missed opportunity with your person because you still have strong emotions for them. Yes, you started working on yourself. You started learning to restore the balance within yourself. Very good. That is very, very good. Focusing on yourself, on your energy. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The one card is popped out, Ten of Pentacles. So they want to offer stability, commitment. Once you gone, they started realizing your worth. Maybe you are thinking it was over, but it is not. Empress. So for some, one person is mother. See, Empress and the Emperor. Couple. You are very, very strong couple. Wow. Yes, they are coming back with an apology. Yes, Page of Pentacles. Maybe a person is immature. For some, children is also involved in this connection. So guys, they are coming back with an apology. Then it's up to you, Cancer. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Maybe if they're coming back, they will apologize you. In that time, don't let pride get in your way. Don't show your attitude. Don't show your ego. Maybe it will ruin the entire relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.